Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rebecca, and if you are a returning subscriber, then welcome back, y'all. Today I do have a little clothing haul review for you guys. I want to give a big shout out to Kooding for sending me this cute white lace dress. It is so pretty. It's only one item, but hey, it's better than nothing. If you do not know about Kooding, it is an online Korean clothing company. They have a lot of different clothes to choose from. I must say it definitely is not a clothing company that I would have actually went out of the way and bought something from myself. It's just a lot of things on there aren't really my style, but there are a few things that I liked, and this was definitely one of them. It's lace and it's off the shoulders. I can't wait to try it on. It's really pretty. I do have a discount code. I will put it right here so you guys know how to spell it. It is my first and last name, so you can go ahead and use that at checkout if you find something that you like from Kooding. Their clothes are, I would say, a little on the pricey side, not gonna lie. Excuse me. This dress was, I believe, $49. So, you know, it's not crazy expensive, but it's a little pricey. This also does come in one size, so you know, this is just the size I got. It's the one size. It does look like it'll fit me, but we'll see. It's a pretty short dress, but that's just how it is. I'm not a big fan of that. A lot of the clothes there online, it's just one size, or they'll only have like a couple different sizes. That's not really a good thing, but you know, whatever. They did have two other colors in this dress. I did get, I believe this is called Ivory. So there it is. I will have this dress linked in the description box below, along with my promo link, my promo code, you know, everything linked down in the description box below. So let's go ahead and try this thing on and see if it fits. So I put the dress on. Here it is. It's actually really short. It's a pretty short dress, which I'm not a big fan of. I do like dresses that come down a little bit longer so I feel more comfortable, but it is cute though. I do like it. Here's the back. It's really cute. I love how it's like, you can see the details up here. I think that's so cute. And on the sleeves, you can see my cute tattoo peeking through. Super cute. Oh, looks like that fell down a little bit. I do have nipple covers on right now because, you know, it is white and kind of see-through. So it's up to you if you want to wear that, or if you want to wear like a strapless bra, since, you know, you don't want straps. But it looks really good. It gives me like wedding dress vibes, which makes me like really happy because, you know, your girl really wants to get married. I can't wait for that. But anyway, yeah, it's super cute. I really do like it. The only bad thing I have to say about this is the length. The length is a little shorter than what I would prefer, but it is what it is. I will still wear this somewhere. Don't know where yet, but I'm sure I will find an event eventually to wear this too. But here it is. Shows off my curves very well. And like I said earlier, this is one size. Just, it comes in one size, so I got the one size. And it fits, you know, it's not too tight. It fits perfectly, actually. So I'm very happy about that. But as far as like other women out there, are like other sizes, of course. So that is a downside to this company. They just have the one size, so you are kind of taking a risk when you're purchasing stuff when it's like a one size thing. Just for reference, so you guys do know, I am like 145 pounds and I'm 5'5", so just so you guys know, in case you do want to order this dress to know if you will fit in the one size or not. I fit, so if you're around my size, you could probably fit just as well as I do. See this? I'm nervous about this. It has like this, you know, dress underneath the lace. This thing is short, like, come on. That's risky business right there. Risky, risky. But I do really love this dress. Super cute. I love the lace detailing. I love the fit of it. It fits me perfect. My only two cons about this dress would be that it's a one size fitting, and then also it's a bit short. But some dresses are just short like this. It is what it is. I shop at Windsor a lot for dresses, and same thing, like I'll love a dress, but it's too short, and it's like, oh, can't you just be a little longer? But that's okay, I still really like it. That is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little review for Kooding. Don't forget to use my promo code if you do purchase something from Kooding. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.